Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have a gray rolling chair, and I'm gonna put this together for you all. It comes with the instructions here. It says, design is the soul of the future. It says desk chair, and there's our instruction manual. And it should be pretty straightforward. It only had a few screws. I think it was like 4 or 5 screws to put together. So we're gonna go ahead and I'll show you guys it. And we'll go do that right now. Okay, so I got it together, and this is how it looks. You saw that was super simple. 4 screws, and then the rest of the stuff just snapped in. And so this is it here, and oh, that's comfortable. It's good. It's got a good, it's hard, so it's not super squishy, and it's comfortable. Here, I'm a little low for where my desk would be, so I can push that button up, and then I can be sitting up high. So go high, all the way down to low. So really cool, really comfortable. Looks beautiful, man. I love that gray. Looks so nice. It's gonna look great out at my computer desk because that's where I plan to use it. So super cool. And it looks like you can do this. What does that free do? Free, oh, I can recline. Woo! Not much of a recliner, but you get the idea. And then there, it's locked in place. So super cool. I really like it. Thumbs up for sure. Very nice. Look at that. Beautiful. Looks great from all sides. And it rolls really good. Great.